Farmers grow wheat in Dickinson County. It's one of the most important crops in our area. As you drive with your family, you will see lots of wheat. Did you also know that you will see wheat several times each day in the foods you eat? Wheat's journey begins when farmers use big machines called combines. A header on the front of the combine collects the plants and separates the kernels from the chaff. The kernel is part of the plant that we eat. The kernels move into the huge bin on the top of the combine, and the rest of the plant called chaff is blown outside of the combine. When the bin is full, the kernels are unloaded into carts or trucks. A truck will hold around 1,000 bushels of wheat. Did you know that would make about 4,500 pizzas? Whoa! The trucks carry the wheat to a grain elevator where it is stored. The grain is dumped into underground pits. The kernels are then transported into large bins where they are stored. Farmers are proud of the wheat they grow. They know it will be used to make many products that will feed and help others. The journey continues for these kernels of wheat, with the next stop being at the mill, where they are cleaned and ground into flour.
The combine does a good job of cleaning the wheat in the field, but it's not quite clean enough to be made into flour. At the flour mill, we use an aspirator that has air currents to separate out light, chaff, and dust, and the cylinder separator will remove large and small contaminants. We can even use a special camera to remove impurities based on their color. Once the wheat is clean and free of impurities, it's ready to go into the roller milling process. The roller mill has two large steel rollers that turn together and crush the wheat. After the wheat is ground on the roller mill, it contains a mixture of particles ranging from bran, coarse endosperm, and even includes a little bit of flour. These particles have to be separated out on a sifter that hangs from the ceiling and turns in a circular motion. There are sieves inside that separate the particles based on their size. Everything coming out of the sifter will be reground on another roller mill except for the flour, which goes into the flour bin. The finished flour is bagged in bags and sent to the bakery so that it can be used to make products like bread or even pizza crust.